Knowledge Nexus.
Coding. Sounds tough, right? Like something only super smart people can do? Nope. Coding is just telling a computer what to do. It's like writing instructions, but for a machine. Think of your favorite app or game. Behind all the cool stuff is code, carefully written by developers. These digital builders use code to make websites, apps, and much more. Coding is power. It's the power to create and invent. And you can have this power too. Get ready for amazing opportunities. Learning to code can open doors you never imagined. Whether you're looking to start a new career, advance in your current job, or simply want to understand the technology that shapes our world, coding is a skill that can take you far. Knowing how to code is really important these days. It's not just for computer scientists or engineers anymore. In today's digital age, coding is becoming a fundamental skill, much like reading or writing. Schools are even teaching it to kids as young as 5. Lots of companies need people who can code. From tech giants like Google and Apple to small startups, the demand for coding skills is skyrocketing. Even industries you wouldn't expect, like healthcare, finance, and entertainment, are looking for people who can write code. From making software to analyzing information, coding opens doors to exciting jobs. Imagine creating the next big app, developing software that saves lives, or analyzing data to help businesses make better decisions. The possibilities are endless. Learning to code also helps you solve problems and think better. Coding teaches you how to break down complex problems into manageable parts, think logically, and come up with creative solutions. These are skills that are valuable in any field, not just tech. These skills are useful for any job, whether you're in marketing, sales, design, or management. Understanding how to code can give you an edge. It can help you automate tasks, analyze data, and communicate better with technical teams. But it's not just about jobs. Coding is also a way to express your creativity. It's like having a superpower that lets you bring your ideas to life. Whether you're building a website, creating a game, or developing an app, coding gives you the tools to make your vision a reality. Coding helps you make your ideas real. Have you ever had a great idea for an app or a website but didn't know how to make it happen? Learning to code can turn those ideas into reality. You can build your own projects, start a business, or even just have fun creating something new. Have a cool app idea? Code it. Imagine being able to create something that millions of people could use. With coding, you have the power to make that happen. You can design, develop, and launch your own apps, and who knows? Maybe your app will be the next big thing. Want to build a website? Code it. Whether it's a personal blog, an online store, or a portfolio, knowing how to code means you can create a website exactly the way you want it. You don't have to rely on templates or hire someone else to do it for you. Coding makes your imagination come to life. It's a skill that empowers you to create, innovate, and make a difference. So why learn to code? Because it opens up a world of possibilities, both professionally and personally. Start your coding journey today and see where it takes you. Now that you're excited, let's learn some coding basics. Don't worry, it's easier than you think. Coding is like using special languages to talk to computers. These languages, like Python or JavaScript, are just different ways of giving instructions. They have their own rules, like grammar for computers. Once you learn the rules, you can start writing code. The best part? There are lots of free resources online to help you learn, like websites and apps. There are many coding languages, so it's hard to know where to start. For beginners, Python, JavaScript, and HTML are great choices. Python is like a Swiss Army knife, useful for many things. JavaScript makes websites interactive and fun. HTML is the basic structure of a website. You don't need to learn them all at once. Start with one, learn the basics, and then try others. Ready to try? Let's dive into the world of Python programming. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone looking to brush up on your skills, this guide will walk you through every step. So grab your computer and let's get started. Let's write your first code using Python. It's super easy and a great way to get a feel for how programming works. Python is known for its simplicity and readability, making it an excellent choice for beginners. We'll use a command called print to show a message on your screen. The print function is one of the most basic and commonly used functions in Python. It allows you to display text and other information to the user. Step 1. Open your Python interpreter. The interpreter is a tool that lets you write and run Python code directly. It's a great way to test out small snippets of code and see immediate results. Python has a tool that lets you write and run code directly. This tool is called the Python Interactive Shell, or REPL, Read Eval Print Loop. It's an environment where you can type Python commands and see the results instantly. Open your terminal or command prompt and type Python. This command will start the Python interpreter. If you see it, it means the interpreter is ready to accept your commands. You should see a tar, which means you're ready. This prompt indicates that the Python interpreter is running and waiting for you to enter your code. Step 2, type the code. Type the following command. Print hello world. This command tells Python to display the text hello world on the screen. The print function is used to output text to the screen. In this case, we're using it to display a simple greeting. This is often the first program that beginners write when learning a new programming language. This tells Python to show hello world on the screen. It's a simple yet powerful way to understand how Python executes commands and displays output. Step 3. Run the code. Press enter. When you press enter, the Python interpreter will execute the command you typed and display the result. You should see, hello world. This output confirms that your code was executed successfully. Congratulations. You've just written and run your first Python program. You just wrote your first code. This is just the beginning of your programming journey. With Python, you can create complex programs, automate tasks, and much more. Keep practicing and exploring, and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. You're not alone on this journey. Many online resources can help. Websites like Codecademy, Free Code Camp, and Khan Academy have coding lessons for all levels. Online forums like Stack Overflow are places to ask questions and get help. Don't be shy to ask. Everyone starts somewhere. Just keep trying and don't stop exploring. Learning to code is a journey. It's about learning new things, trying them out, and solving problems. Enjoy the challenges, celebrate your wins, and don't be afraid to ask for help. Even expert coders were beginners once. Be patient, take it one step at a time, and practice regularly. Coding isn't just about writing code, it's about thinking in a new way. In today's world, coding is super important. It's not just a skill for tech enthusiasts or computer science majors, it's becoming a fundamental literacy. From the apps on our phones to the algorithms that drive our social media feeds, coding is behind much of what we interact with daily. Understanding how to code opens up a world of possibilities, allowing you to create, innovate, and solve problems in ways you never thought possible. Whether you want to be a software developer or just learn new skills, coding gives you the power to shape the future. Imagine being able to build your own website, develop a mobile app, or even create a game. The possibilities are endless. Coding isn't just about writing lines of code, it's about thinking logically and creatively to solve problems. It's a skill that can be applied in virtually any field, from healthcare to finance, from education to entertainment. It might seem hard at first, but remember, everyone starts somewhere. The key is to stay persistent and keep practicing. There are countless resources available to help you learn, from online tutorials and coding boot camps to community meetups and mentorship programs. Don't be afraid to ask for help and collaborate with others. The coding community is incredibly supportive and always willing to lend a hand. With hard work and the right help, you can learn to code and create amazing things. Start with small projects and gradually take on more complex challenges. Celebrate your successes no matter how small and learn from your mistakes. Coding is a journey, and every step you take brings you closer to mastering this powerful skill. Remember, the most important thing is to keep moving forward and never give up. So take the first step and join the world of coding. Enroll in a course, join a coding community, or start a project on your own. The resources are out there and the opportunities are endless. By learning to code, you're not just gaining a valuable skill, you're also joining a global community of innovators and problem solvers. Together, we can build a better future, one line of code at a time. The future is coded, and you can be a part of it. Embrace the challenge, dive into the world of coding, and see where it takes you. The journey may be tough, but the rewards are immense. With dedication and passion, you can turn your coding dreams into reality. So what are you waiting for? The future is coded and it starts with you.